you today? Okay. Okay. Oh, I hope you are okay. I am okay. This is a new math English video. Today we are going to continue with our lesson. Last week we were learning about multiplying fractions and whole numbers, fractions of fractions, fractions of whole numbers. Remember? It was very interesting lesson. And today we are going to continue with fractions. We are going to check our skills using word problems. So we are going to develop the problem to clarify the problem. And I'm not going to show you my answers, but I'm going to develop with you the problem. I will write everything for you unless the numbers. Okay, I will clarify the problem for you step by step, but I will give you to do the math part. It means the numbers, the operations with fractions and whole numbers. So yeah, let's start with this lesson. Let's go to our book. Okay, I want you to take your book and open it in the page number 68. 68. I have prepared some pictures that we are gonna edit together. Page 2 word problems in the page number 68. So we can read and develop together. Okay, do you have your book? Have you opened your book? Page number 68, word problem number 1. This, okay, number 1. So first of all, let's read together the word problem and let's clarify the problem. So follow please my reading. Layla has 20 sticks of meatball. She gave her sister 1/2 of them. Okay. Until here we have the Layla, this is a name, okay, has 20 sticks of meatball. Sticks of meatball. You know what is a stick? But it's a piece of wood, a long piece of wood, where we put the food and then we eat. Okay, so for example, this time we are talking about meatball. What is a meatball? You know what is meat and what is a ball? Meatball. So sometimes we take the stick and we put the food in the stick and then we eat. Okay, so this is a stick of meatballs. Let's go back to the book. Here we are. Okay, so she has 20 sticks of meatball. This I want you to translate. Okay, this word you have to underline in your book, and I want you to write the meaning here, up there. Okay, this is the space for the meaning. You can write here. Okay, you underline and then you write the meaning here in Thai. So Layla has 20 sticks of meatball and she gave her sister 1/2 of them. Okay, do you know what is to give something to somebody? I give you, for example, I want you to have this pencil. Sorry, this pen. So I give you my pen. Now it's yours. When you use the word gave, it means that it's past tense. Okay, give is a present simple. Okay, I give you this. Now I'm giving you this time at this moment. I give you this. But if we say I gave you, it means that in the past, I gave it to you already. You already have it and I don't have it anymore. And maybe probably nobody in this room has seen it. Okay, because it's in the past. Okay, so Shayla gave her sister 1/2 of them. So now the question. Let's read the question together, please. What the question says. Let's read together. How many sticks of meatball did she give to her sister? Okay. How many sticks did she give to her sister? As you see here, we have the same verb in different tense. Okay. Here is the present. Present simple is to give. Okay, and the past tense is gave. Okay, same verb, different tense. Okay, so how to develop this word problem? First of all, we have to write how many sticks does Layla has. Then how many did she give to the sister? And then let's calculate how much, how many meatballs of a stick of meatball did she give to her sister. So first of all, let's go back to the book. Here it is. Okay, first of all, we have to write okay, maybe a little bigger. 20, a little bigger. 24 and black color. Okay, Layla has meatballs or sticks of meatballs. How many? You must fill this space. Sticks of meatballs. After she gave to her sister, how much? This is the word problem, right? Okay, after that, okay, we have to calculate how many did she give to her sister. So basically, what should we do is to multiply. Okay, to multiply, I'll show you now. Is a multiplication of first the part of all the meatballs she has, this one, okay, multiplying the total of sticks that she have. Okay, this one is green, okay. Sorry, I don't know how to fix it now. Let's start again, okay. This is what part of the meatball, the sticks, did she give to her sister? And now we have to multiply by the total of the meatball she has. Okay, so this is what you have to do. After that, when you get the answer, okay, you can write here answer. Answer is Leila gave to her sister and the final number of sticks of meatball. Okay, so now you know what should you do. You have to fill the spaces, you have to do this operation and then fill the answer. Right? Yeah, I think it's pretty clear. Now let's go to the number 2. Let's read first the number 2. Let's read together, please. Paul has 300 baht. He wants to buy a book that will cost him 2/5 of the money he has. Okay, until here we know that Paul has money, 300 baht, and he wants to buy a book. Okay, wants to buy a book that costs 2/5 of the total money that he has. It means 2/5 of 300, right? So how much does the book cost? Here, I want you to translate this specific word. Wants to buy. Wants to buy. What is the meaning? If you know, you can write over here. Wants to buy. What does it mean? He wants to buy a book. Okay, so let's develop the problem first. Let's clarify how much money does Paul has. Paul has okay, but after he buys a book that costs baht, right? Okay, here we have to write the operation, which is 2/8. Okay, I'm gonna circle the same than before. Okay, 2/8 of the total money that he has. Okay, so how much does the book cost? The final answer should be in black, please. Answer is that the book cost but to Paul. All right. So one more time. In this exercise, number 2, you have to fill the meaning of this expression, wants to buy, and then you have an operation that is, how much is 2/5 of 300? 2/5 of 300. And then you have to fill the answer over here. The book costs baht to Paul. Okay, I think is fair. It's not difficult for you to do that. Okay, and now let's continue. I have 2 more exercises for you. So let's go to do them. Here we have number 3 and number 4. First of all, let's read the number 4 together, please. A drink stall prepared 350 bottles of water. Okay, a drink stall is a place that they sell drinks, for example, water. So they prepared for sale 350 bottles of water. Perfect. Now the stall managed to sell 4/7 bottles of water. Okay, so they are going to sell 4/7 of the total of bottles of water they have prepared. So how many bottles of water were sold? How many bottles of water were sold? So same than before. I want to translate this. A drink stall. Okay, it's very interesting word and very useful. So I want you to look for it in your dictionary or in the translation app, and you can write the meaning over there. Drink stall. What is a drink stall? So let's develop the problem. Okay, so a drink stall, drinks stall, prepared to sell how many bottles? Bottles. Then they managed to sell bottles. Okay, so how many bottles they are prepared to sell? This, right? And how many bottles they managed to sell? So they managed to sell this. Okay, this of this. Okay, so this is the operation you need to solve. How much is of okay, and finally the final answer is answer bottles of water were sold. Okay, this is one more time. You have here vocabulary to translate and one operation with fractions. Number 4 and last exercise for today. Let's read together. Let's read together, please. Peter bought 6 boxes of pastries. The pastries in each box weighed 1/2 of a kilogram. Okay, so Peter bought pastries. Okay, do you know what is a pastry? So he bought 6 boxes of pastries. This expression, I want you to translate for me. 6 boxes of pastry. What does it mean? What is this thing that he bought? You can write over there, okay? And then each pastry weighed 1/2 of a kilogram. Okay, so 1 box of pastry weighed 1/2 of a kilogram. What was the total weight of the pastries? So it's pretty clear. We have 6 boxes and each box weighs 1/2 of a kilogram, which means half kilogram. We could even calculate without multiplying fractions, but we are going to do in the right way. First of all, let's clear up. Peter bought boxes of pastries. Okay, how many boxes of pastries did he bought? And each box of pastries weighed of a kilogram. Yeah. So basically, you know, we have to know that the total of pastries weigh, this is the point, okay? The total of pastries weighed this number that we got here, okay, multiplied by this. Okay, so the final answer should be okay, the total of pastries weighed kilograms. Okay, so that's all we are going to do until here. One more time, in this exercise number 4, you have to translate this expression, 6 boxes of pastries, and then to fill these numbers. How many boxes of pastries, how much is the weight of each box, and do the operation. So that's all for today. That's all for you. You have 4 exercises. You have just to fill the numbers and do the operations. As you can see, there is one more exercise in this page, exercise number 5, but it's not needed to do. Okay, don't do it. If you want to do by yourself, it's good for you, but I'm not asking you to do it. So thanks a lot for watching this video. I hope you could understand the lesson, and I wish you are safe at home, and I wish to see you very, very soon in the school. Have a good day. Enjoy. Bye-bye.